Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh and good morning everyone. Okay, for module 11, I have given you the task, so you have to read the instruction. Okay, today we are going to read together for module 11, topic 8, amazing animals. You are going to learn about comparative adjective. But before we start, you should read number 1, the instruction. Copy these notes. Sorry, I forgot the S. Notes in your PdPr book. Okay, now just copy A, B, C, D and this one. A, B, C, D and these things. Copy it in your book. Okay, now let's read together. Comparative comes from the word compare, membanding. Okay, maksudnya membanding. Membanding tu apa? Kita compare lah kan. Kita nak membanding beza. Contohnya, siapa lebih tinggi, siapa lebih baik, siapa lebih jahat. Macam tu. Kita nak membanding. B, to compare, we need two things that we want to show that they are different. We need two things. For example, now we learn about amazing animals, right? So, if I say a cat and a tiger. Okay, how many animals? Two animals. Cat and a tiger. How do what do I want to compare? Apa yang saya nak membandingkan? For example, their size. Which one is smaller? Which one is bigger? Let's say smaller. Okay, cat is smaller than a tiger. Nampak tak? Macam mana saya membandingkan? Okay, for example, C. Look at C. For example, the elephant is heavier than the gorilla. Okay, how many animals? Elephant, gorilla. How many? 2. Okay, good. 2 animals. The elephant is heavier than the gorilla. Okay. Now the word heavier comes from what word? Heavy. Heavy tu maksudnya apa? Berat. Heavier maksudnya lebih berat. Heavier, lebih berat. Okay. Read this small. There are many ways to write comparative adjective. Ada banyak cara untuk menulis comparative adjective. Cara nak membanding in English banyak. In Malay senang saja. Contohnya awak nak cakap lebih besar, awak tulislah harimau lebih besar dari kucing. Lebih besar, lebih kecil. Semuanya lebih. But in English, awak tak boleh simply tulis lebih macam tu kan. There are ways. Okay, number 1. Let's look. Number 1. Small. Smaller than. Okay, add ER at the end of the word. Tambah ER dekat mana? N. N ni apa? Belakang. End of the word. Smaller. Smaller. Daripada small jadi smaller. Small maksudnya kecil. Smaller maksudnya lebih kecil. Then maksudnya apa? Dari. Lebih kecil dari. Kucing lebih kecil dari harimau. The cat is smaller than the tiger. Okay, good. Number 2, heavy. Jadi, heavier than. When the word ends with Y, bila perkataan ni, tengok bawah tu. Perkataan ni berakhir dengan Y. Ends with Y. You must erase the Y and put IER. Awak kena padamkan Y tu dan gantikan dengan IER. Nampak? Saya padam Y, saya dah gantikan dengan IER. Okey. Bila berakhir dengan Y sahaja. Nampak tak? Dah. Ini awak boleh ingat. Sebab kalau berakhir dengan Y, tak awak tambah ER kat belakang, tak cantik lah. Heavier dia, YER, tak cantik. Padam Y, tukarkan dengan IER macam ni. Okay, next one. Comfortable. More comfortable than. Okay, some long adjective. Maksudnya kata adjective yang panjang, you just had to add more in front of the word. Awak cuma perlu tambah more. Letakkan more di depan. Sebab apa? Ayat ni dah cukup panjang. Jangan tambah ER kat belakang ke. Jangan tambah IER kat belakang. Tak perlu. Tambah je more kat depan. More comfortable than. Ni untuk perkataan yang panjang-panjang ni biasanya. Macam comfortable, interesting, beautiful, Nampak? Okay, good. Copy semua ni. Masuk dalam buku. Okay, now. Look at your workbook, page 68 and 69. Read questions and answer all of them. Watch the video that the teacher gives you afterwards, which is this video. Good, you are watching the video. Okay, let's do. Okay, you are going to do page 68 and 69. Let's look at page 68 and 69. Okay, this is page 68. Okay, do a quiz. It's a crossword. So how do we going to do this? Simple. Look at the pictures and name the animals. Number 1, what animal is that? Badak. Badak air. That's in Malay. Okay, Google it in English. You will find that badak air in English we call them hippopotamus. Hippopotamus. Look at this. Apa textbook ni? Dia suruh awak tulis pendek pula. Sepatutnya nama badak air adalah hippopotamus. Tapi sebenarnya tapi year 4 punya English ni dia suruh awak tulis hippo sahaja. So how do you spell hippo? Hash pula. H I P P O. Hippo. Tulis dekat sini. Can I? Oh, okay, boleh tulis. Macam nak tulis ni? H I P P O. Hippo. Then you have to continue until number 2 pula. Write it down here, and then number 3, number 4 sampai habis lah. Okay, good. All of the animals, they have give the animals here kan. Dia dah tulis haiwan apa semua dekat sini dah. Okay. Okay, next, look and write. Lihat dan tulis. Look and write. Rhinos are scary than hippos. Okay, this one you have to write comparative adjective. Okay, the word scary ends with what? Awak kan kita nak buat comparative, macam mana bunyi dia? Heavier, smaller. Mesti scary ni akan bunyi scarier, because scary ni tak panjang sangat. Awak tak boleh tulis more scary than. No, dia tak panjang. So scary ni akan jadi scarier. Okay, look at the end of the word. Apa huruf tu? Huruf apa itu? Y. Kalau Y, macam mana buat dia? Buang and then put I-E-R. So dia akan jadi scarier. Then, okay, ni dah ada dah ada then. Tak perlu tulis then dah. Tak perlu tulis then sebab dia dah tuliskan. Then hippos, like that. Okay, now do number 2 sampai number 5. Okay, good. Now let's check the next one. Page 69. Okay, page 69. Look and write. Use the comparative form. Again, awak kena tulis comparative adjective ni. Macam mana ni? Sekejap. Begitu. Astaghfirullahalazim. Okay, let's look. Tepi sikit muka sini. Okay. Look and write. Use the comparative form. Okay. Utah raptor was dangerous than T-Rex. Okay, awak tak perlu tengok dah story yang tadi. Story yang awak dah baca tu. The story that you have read before. Okay, just use comparative form. Okay, dangerous. Is it possible you can write dangerous like this? Dangerous. Boleh ke? No, dangerous is a long word. Ayat ni panjang sangat. Patah perkataan ni panjang sangat. So, kalau panjang, awak tulis apa? More. Good. More dangerous. Ada then tak kat belakang? Okay, dah ada then. So, jangan tulis then dah. Faham? Okay, more dangerous than T-Rex. Okay, number 2, comfortable. Allahu Akbar. Comfortable. Panjang juga. Kalau panjang, macam mana nak buat? Boleh buat. Number 3, intelligent. Panjang tak? Panjang kan? Ayat tu nampak. Dangerous panjang, comfortable panjang, intelligent panjang. Again, macam mana nak buat? Ada then tak? Ada then. So, tak perlu tulis then dah. Okay, number 4, interesting. Again, it's a long word. Panjang juga. Expensive. Also, it's a long adjective. Panjang juga adjective ni. So, nampaknya 1 until 5 semua awak tambah. Kat depan dia. Number 6. The second film was long. Apa yang long? Long tu, maksud long tu panjang lah kan. Tapi panjang tak patah perkataan ni? Tak kan, pendek je. So how do you write it? You should write berakhir dengan Y ke kat belakang? No, right? So macam mana nak buat? Long tambah ER. Longer than. Oh, dia tak ada then kat belakang. Tapi the second film was longer than and okay. Yang ni awak tulis longer je, jangan tulis then kat belakang. Walaupun dia tak ada then, sebab dia sambung N ni. Dia sambung N. Ada boring. Okay, boring ni macam mana? Panjang kan pendek? Dia tak panjang, dia tak pendek. Di tengah-tengah. So, dia tak boleh jadi boringer. Tak boleh jadi boringer. Dia more boring. This one, walaupun dia tak panjang, dia jadi more boring. Okay, some words awak kena hafal. Dia more or just tambah ER kat belakang ke kan. Ni awak kena hafal lah. Boring is one of the short words yang awak tak boleh tambah ER kat belakang. Understand? So, more boring than the first film. Okay, last question. Compare the whale and the shark. Use the adjective below. Dia dah bagi contoh tu. The whale is more intelligent than the shark. Is it correct? Doesn't matter. Betul ke salah? It doesn't matter. Just I want the question ask you to write comparative adjective. So jangan risau salah atau betul. Understand? Okay, saya bagi contoh big lah. How do you want to write big? Okay, which one is big? Which one is bigger? Yang mana lebih besar? Whale. Okay, awak dah tahu whale lagi besar. Tulis whale dulu. The whale is big ni panjang tak ayat dia? Tak panjang. Perkataan dia tak panjang. So, tambah ER kat belakang. Okay, bigger special kena ada double G. The whale is bigger than the shark. Faham? Now do for intelligent dah sudah kan? So padam. Scary, long, small, dangerous. Do it. Finish the work until number 6. Okay, that is all. Good luck. Never give up. Okay, keep studying. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.